In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a task into a subtask and vice versa in Asana. Sometimes you need to rearrange your projects, and as part of that you may need to move your tasks and your subtasks around. And this is kind of easy when you know how, but it's not always clear how to do this when you're trying it for the first time. If you have any questions or think I missed anything, please let me know in the comments below. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Chris Ray and I'm a technology consultant, and I help SMEs get the most out of technology using business automation with tools like Asana. If this video is helpful, please hit the like or subscribe button below and you'll find links to everything I cover in the description. So here we are in our Asana project, and we'll see here that under this creating a logo, we have two subtasks within this particular task. And if we look at the details, we can also see the subtasks here in the not surprisingly, in the subtasks section. So if we want to turn our subtask into a task, there are no menu items here. So if we look up here, there's nothing relating to subtasks at all, which is a little bit unclear if you're using this for the first time. But if we want to turn this capturing the essence of a brand into a task itself, we have to click on these little 6 dots here, and then we have to drag it. And you see that as we drag it, there's this black line that is essentially where it's going to be dropped. So if we drag and we let go, we can see that this subtask is now a task within this section, and we can see here that we've only got the one task in our original place. So what's really interesting there is, if you want to drag it back, you can't just kind of like drag it under here, because it simply doesn't work. What you have to do is open the details of the task that you want to be dragged into. And again, we can just scroll down a little bit to see, we can see the subtasks. And then what you have to do is you have to drag from these little 6 dots, and you can see that your icon changes and this black line appears again. And we can see that there's now a blue line appearing in the subtask. And if I let go of the mouse, you can see I now have my subtask, and you can see that this has changed. It now has the subtasks and the subtasks here. So it's not immediately straightforward. There is a knack to this, so you have to open up the details of the task you want to drag it into, and then drag your subtask, your task over in order to become a subtask. So I hope that wasn't too complicated, but that's how you turn a task into a subtask and vice versa.